Bissell and Hoover are the most popular carpet cleaning solutions in the market and have won the hearts of customers worldwide. We are going to look at the key differences so that you can make a clear decision about which one is right for your needs. The link to buy both products is available in description. Bissell Carpet Cleaning Solution is most powerful formula that can tackle not just the stain, but also the stinky yellow pet urine, feces and other organic spills. This cleaner contains natural enzymes that are activated on contact with odors and stains, and feeding on ammonia crystals and organic matter until they are completely eliminated. It has no hazardous propellants, therefore it is gentle and safe for all carpets, and it left no residue behind. It doesn't contain any heavy metals, phosphates or dyes, and it is an earth-friendly formula with biodegradable detergents that can work in all Bissell upright carpet cleaners. Hoover Carpet Cleaning Solution helps you to eliminate pet messes and stains and leave your carpets smelling fresh with powerful enzymatic cleaning ingredients. It has plant-based ingredients and essential oil scents that fill your home with fresh fruit and herb aromas. It is designed for best performance when paired with Hoover products, and it is great for everyday use on carpet, car interiors and more. It is EPA-registered cleaner, therefore it is safe for use around children and pets when used as directed. It has natural and non-toxic enzymes that can break down biodegradable messes like grass stains, coffee and more. Both cleaning solutions are equipped with amazing features, but Hoover has the edge over Bissell Cleaning Solution. It can easily loosen and lift tough pet stains and odors like urine, vomit and trapped in dirt with ease. It provides protection from discoloration and harm, and left nothing behind such as residues and build-ups that can dull or damage your carpet.